Rick Sosby here for UTV Guide, and we are in northern Quebec with Can-Am today, Can-Am's pack team, and we are riding their new Backcountry LT track system on the Can-Am Maverick X3 XRS, the XDS, the Defender. Absolutely insane for those of you who love to ride big snow, big deep snow. I'm from Georgia. We don't get that kind of stuff. It helps the machine float across the trails, provides incredible amounts of traction. As soon as the car gets up to speed, it just glides along the top. Whereas when I go to get out, I could step into snow that's waist deep. And that is incredibly impressive to me. We're gonna do a complete write-up for UTV Guide, and we'll share some insights as well as some more photos. So we hope you'll visit the website and check out all the information. If you have a desire to go out and ride serious snow in your X3, you have got to check out these new tracks. They're pretty incredible.